Yo, what's up, Joe? How you doing? That was fast. Damn. All right. All right, I'm gonna do something here. Windows, 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 what's it called? Shift, Alt S. To determine the square that the screen needs to focus on, or rectangle, or whatever the user decides. Option menu defined N look zone. We're doing AI development for fishing planet. I forgot paint literally eats up your RAM like crazy, and I left it on overnight. Oh god. CMD. Forgot these off though. DNS and CMD. RAM refresh. Oh god, dude. Oh, I forgot the morning dizzy spells are coming. Major update. Guys, Norway's out. Just kidding. Could you imagine? Could you imagine? Fucking dude, I'm spinning so fast right now in my head. I was in voice call all night. Oops. Sorry. Wait a minute, 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 wait a minute. Thank you. Return invite. I am bed get 320 also. Oh yeah. Not strong enough. Get a Ryzen. Wow. Don't you love the dings? Get a Ryzen. You already have one. CBR, dude. Do I share OBS settings with him? Fine, I'll give him the sauce. $10,000. That OBS is set up for NDI, so it doesn't. All right, how do I tell him this nicely? Uh, it's gonna be hard to tell him this nicely. Horizon. Already got that. Already got Horizon, so only use CBR. Only use if you had 12 cores and X260, X264. But no, you only have 8 cores. So. Yeah, that's yeah. From the info that you've given me, that's the answer. All right, you gotta create this. Open. And reboot. I love being a programmer. RAM refresh it. Okay, there we go. It's restarting the computer. Wow. Windows PowerShell is a programming language for all of you people who don't know. Nice. Okay, now what we can do is open up OBS. I need a new computer. Really bad. Ooh. Close that. Open up this. All right. Open up this. Oh yeah, RAM refresh was good. Okay, good. Sounds good. Back to programming. Okay. Uh, right back to building. With the Hibab. This PC disk users meta exploit. Don't ask why I have that on my computer. The answer is no. I'm not doing anything malicious. Okay, output. Where is it? Sources, repos. Uh, Countermeasures. Fishing Planet XP overlay. SLN. when options menu opens, make new XAML. It is a page. Add options button to XAML. Workflow. Steady. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. What are you doing? Thank you. What are you doing? Fail. Oh, we need options. CS chunk. Do. Holy shit, I'm an idiot. Syntax, you dumbass. Bop. Delete. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Boom. Okay, and boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, boom, boom, boom. All right, proofread fix, syntax. La da dee da da dee down, bow bow. Whoa. Bow. Whoa. A mandatory attribute of a streamer is a hat on his head. The warmer the hat, the dumber the streamer. That's nice. I feel like it required really like stupidness, right? You know? To create that message. Ah, so good. No, no. Wrong flow. 1 CS2. XAML. Workflow. Options. Changes. XAML. Yes. View switching. Correct. All right. Whole one. Yes. Ticketist 00A. I got like a question for you. How stupid, right? Does one have to be to create the allegations of intelligent data analysis on apparel? You know? Okay. So, settings, icon, click, swaps, over. Oh, you have nothing else to say? I was hoping you had more in your backpack of dumbassness. Damn. Because isn't that like the second time you've said I was stupid with no, like nothing else to say? So like what, so you join a stream, you join my stream, then you say I'm stupid and then you leave? That's what you do all day? Let's just get you banned on Twitch. Tip. New Year's is coming up. 2026. Are you ready? See, now your dumbass message is gone. Ah. Back to what I was doing. Where I was rudely interrupted by a rat creature thing. Main XAML update. Yo, what's up, Tiger? How you doing? Can you sub to the channel? Yeah. Duh. Can I sub? Yes, dude. Add new item. XAML. Add invalid markup. Validate markup. Boom. Boom. Darkening this. Nice, dude. What did you is it good? Yes. All the DLCs are good, man. Except for the sport or like except for like the tournament packs. The only tournament pack that's good is the like the only tournament pack that's good is the bass one. The bass one. Programming. I'm creating a neural network XP tool for Fishing Planet. Check out Scope 3 on Steam here. The revolutionary software designed for gamers who need more. I created it. This is free. I'm not charging money for this or anything. This is just a little side thing. Just a little side project thingy bob. Think of it as like a mod menu that's not hacking. That also doesn't inject into the game. What a beautiful menu. Look at that. All right. We need to all right. So now we just need to say, okay, so square neural network. So we'll say NN look zone NN look zone is a button and nothing else. I just know you studied technology. That's cool. Yeah, no, I'm a full stack developer. There we go. Configure neural network look zone. Then we can get rid of all these other checkmarks. Get rid of all the other marks. They are irrelevant. It's just AI fluff. All right. Just get rid of the AI fluff. Because I didn't ask for that bullshit, boy. There we go. Configure the neural network look zone and then your back option. Yeah. All right. Nice. All right. Oh. Now we just need to update this to, for them to handle both XML files. I got an Xbox to play Fishing Planet. Why? PC's amazing. Oh no. Add new item. Options menu. .cs .xaml. Did I write that right? Options. Oh, it's options view. Options view cs.xaml. Oops. Oopsie doopsie. Delete. Say options view.xaml. Add new item. Made a mistake. I don't like doing it. Options. View. .xaml. .cs. There we go. options view.xaml. And there's the CS attacher. Hey, hey, boy. Added a options view dot xaml dot cs. It's important. We need the backend. Right. There's our backend. Paste the backend for this menu. All right. So it says it's already open. All right. We need to restructure this file. Add new item. Options view dot xaml dot cs. Then we need to add new item. Options view dot dot XAML yeah. There we go. They're combined. And now it's actually structured correctly. Okay. Options view dot XAML. Isn't this good? Isn't this good? Works beautiful. Dope. Boom. No issues found. Then CS. Boom. Boom. Blap. Bleep. Okay. And then main window. Paste. Thank you. Update this. We combine. We make you work together to destroy the world. Just kidding. Sick. No issues found there. We still have this. Oh, GoPro. I don't need you doing that right now. Hold on. My GoPro overheated. All right, it's done. It's done acting a fool. It's rebooting. Let that do that thing. Yeah. No XP controls. Main window ammos it wants to host the frame. Must be a page. Interesting. Uh, how do I debug that? Launch. See this. Then hit options. Changes the XAML to I need to clean this solution. Why can't I view this, bro? What is going on? Oh, that's main window. Options view. Properties. This is a page. Oh, dirty, 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 dirty. I see why. I see why I found the problem. I found the issue. It's the XAML for the app. Exactly, good catch. There's the root cause of your diagnosis is correct. No shit. Because this fucker is fucked. Alright, there we go. Now it has one error instead of 50. We need to rebuild it. There we go. X input does not have context. Options view.xaml. I do need to debug this side here. We got IDE error. Which is kind of ass here. I can't open and view this. What? Like what? Okay, all right. So I double clicked it and it did this. It says build it as a page, and then it says tools, MS Build Compile, tools. Yeah, that's all right. Your hosting is correct. Uh, what is going on here with this? Open with merge into active document. Please open a valid XML file and try again. What the fuck? File sense generator. And then we have this as file name. And then, yeah, so this is right. So, like, what is wrong with the XAML? Fucking what? Did my eye just break? Yeah, my eye broke. Eye broke. Eye break. Um, we need to create a new solution. 1 second. Yeah. Windows, like Visual Studio, all this hard work for nothing. Just kidding. Visual Studio. Create new project. Don't worry, we get everything back here in a second. XAML. Next. Fishing Planet XP version 1. 4.8. Create. My eyeballs. All right. All files. Go. You know what? I'm not. Hold on. Add a new item. Main view. Fuck off. App.xaml. Uh, option view. All right, there we go. Option view XAML. Option view XAML. Add. Then we go here. Add. New item. Option view XAML CS. There we go. We're back to where we started. Uh, Okay. This should be option view XAML. The fuck? Okay. Option view XAML. Please. We'll start at option view XAML for the IDE so it doesn't fucking break. You want to work backwards with Windows. Okay. Option view XAML CS. Option view XAML CS. There we go. Now that's gonna fix this. And we have our to-do list on that. Pretty fucking solid. Main window XAML. Main window XAML. Okay. Main window XAML. Boom. There it goes. And then we go to main window XAML. XAML CS. Come on, dude. I get. It's not gonna be the right syntax, brother. Actually, it will work. Boom. I think that's the wrong syntax. No, syntax worked. Good. Okay. But yeah. Everything's working. We still have 5 errors, but we have 5 errors instead of 15. So now. Okay. Okay, stop. All right. We only have 5 errors now instead of 15. So that was because the other version was broken. The IDE broke. And so now we're fixing the IDE. We've done that. So what? What? Main view is not found. Create 2 more files. Oh, this is why. Okay, so main view is main window dot XAML. So let's give you a facepalm emoji because you weren't listening to me. You dummy boy. Main Windows ammo corrected. Yeah. Yeah, you done go. You done goofed. But the eye was still broken. Step 2. CS. Okay, fine. I'll do it the old-fashioned way for you, brother. Control F, Control V, Control V, V. Back to main. Control C. Yeah. All right. Then we have this error here. Fix XAML error. Syntax, as your yes. All right, thank you. Main Windows XAML updated. Thank you. No. XAML. Yes. Updated. Main window. Paste. Reload the designer. Main window XAML errors. Please fix those. Remove all page host main views. All right. Actually, you're just being a pill at this point. So I need you to go and actually just update this, bro. Because I don't know what you're saying. Because you're not specific. So update this. I do know what you're saying, but I know you can do this faster because you can just fix everything in 30 seconds or less. Yes, thank you. You fixed that. Fix that. We see with C# you have to do everything. So okay, we still have this from. Okay, we have one more issue. So we have this. We have to fix. And update this. It's going to fix that little indiscrepancy of collapsed visibility. Because collapsed visibility is not ideal. It's not a thing, boy. Replace the entire file. Yes. Oh. Now, I should see that 1 go to 0. Yay! It is tiny. It is tiny, boy. That's tiny, boy. Okay, cool. That's done. So we have 8. Ooh, we have 13 errors here. All right. 14. Bring it all around town. Bring it around town. Fix the main CS now. Thank you. Fix one thing, another thing breaks. Welcome to programming. Welcome to programming. It's a part of the thing. All right, there you go. Awesome. Now all the errors should be corresponding into options view. Oh, shit. Okay, I know why. I want to keep this app.xaml. Keep this no changes. And so then we need to real problem getting errors is required fix for one time clean is main window. Oh, you were misnaming it. Well, that explains everything. Whoa, bro. Oh. Interesting. What is going on with with Visual Studio? Main window XAML. That's why. That's why. What options menu was in XAML? The fuck? Yeah, that explains everything. Hey Jam, how you doing? No. 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 Main window is the yes. We're working on Fishing Planet stuff. You're giving me the XAML for the options, man. Why was he giving me that? No, I don't want the options view. I don't want the options view, XAML. I want the main thing. Bro, what is your deal? Thank you for the correction. Yeah. What are you doing? Alright, cool. Bam. Now we have a lot of problems. It's turning into worms. Yep, yeah. You called it. Now we can cleanly end this error spiral. Sure, dude. .2 is just the worst. Thank you. Fishing Planet XP. There we go. All right. There we go. Clean. Clean. All right, now. Final main, and there's the main. Oh, actually, 5.2 kind of came clutch with that. 4.8 would have, oh, wow. Ooh, let him cook, though. Let him cook, though. Hold up. Hold up. That was fucking cool. Nice. Still broken. Options view XAML CF. Fix it. Namespace error. Paste. Fix it, boy. That's one simple, clean fix. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Back to main fixed. 2 errors. Option view in main window. Option view.cs error codes 2 back to main fixed. Then logic and engine is built. Right? Which we're creating a alga structure. Is what that's called. Creating an alga structure. Is in CS, right? C#. You have to build everything. Everything. The mouse logic, the click logic, the everything. I'm dumbing things very down though when I say that. So all the programmers out there are like, that's not true. Yes, you're right. And I'm not going to go into the dates. I'm not going into the dates. All right. Option view CS. So fix this, boy. Uh, Missing. Oh, I see what kind of structure you're doing. I see. I see. That's not good. That's not good. Yeah, yeah. Yep. I see. I can just type these first three lines. Boy. Boop. There we go. Fixed. Our options view.cs still has two errors. So. So we're doing the show hide logic right now of these menus. Back to main function and error 2. I already did that for both of those. Verify that these three things match exactly, but you understand, boy, that I have an options view example that I can't view. Save that. Why does that keep breaking? Option views.cs. Option view.xaml. You know what it's doing? Yeah. Add new item WPF. Page. That's the error. It's a page. CS and option. I removed option view CS and option XAML to re-add them as the correct file type. What one? I forget which one it is. I think it's page. This is exactly the right movement to fix cleanly. Why user control WPF is the correct choice. All right, so we got to do user control WPF. All right, we've added user control WPF and user control XAML.cs. User control 1. Critical. Okay. That actually makes a lot more sense. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. New item, user control WPF, and then we say option view. Then match the namespaces. And there it goes. Option view and option view CS. All right. Option view XAML. All right, full option view XAML again, please. And it's CS. There it is. User control modes. I accidentally oofed. I did just wake up though. Option to view is XAML. There it goes. Yep, perfect. And then option to view CS. Nice. Now we have 3 errors in both. That are completely fixable. Option view XAML must look exactly like this. Which it does. Not. What the fuck are you doing? You're good at making the same mistake over and over again. It got rid of the error. Nice. All right, so full 2 files. Yeah, so it did get rid of it. Okay, now we update the main. That's so weird. Windows Visual Studio just had an error. Whoa. All right, main Windows CS. There we go. And then paste that there, like there. Boom. No issue. Then that should get rid of that issue. Let's go. Then it should run. All right. Nope. We just have one error left. Then this algo structure is complete. What a strange one. Main window, back to left click entirely is missing. Yeah. Options view XAML.cs, back to click back to is missing. So we go to options view.cs and we add that here. Oops. Now we replace that. So there it is. That's functional now. And boom. We have to change this. This is wrong. And so it's back to main function. So CS window, back click.cs, main window.cs, main okay. Main window XAML needs to be updated reference wise because the reference changed. You'll find something similar. Back click and mouse left button. Optional.cs checklist is back to main. Yeah, so that's back to main, and then I need to see back click, but I don't see back click. This is the error. In main XAML, this is the error. Thank you for the exact line. You're welcome. Delete this from all right. So just delete it. I guess that makes sense. Nice. Now if I hit my settings icon, neural network looks on. Nice. All right, so we have some errors. The back button is not working. The back button does not show when I hit 7. or sorry, when settings XAML loads under NN look zone button. Also, the button is not themed directly like in the XAML. So that might be because I need to add a reference file to do that. Hope I don't have to do that. Final option view. Cool. He added the reference to option view XAML itself. Perfect. Now we hit start and it should be good now. Nope. This is what it looks like. The nightmare of C#. Still. Option view XAML. This will fix both issues. I don't think it will. One more required, very important. So he wants me to TDLR or TLDR, something. One more required check is very important. When opening options, you must do this. Height to 6. 0. Main window dot XAML and then options. So when clicked, options left button down. In the main CS change to proper Windows size. Shame. Yeah. So main.cs proper window size change. Options mouse down. There we go. Height. There we go. This is where being a programmer and understanding things, you gotta like know how to use AI to do this kind of stuff. You can't just go in here and use AI to build stuff and not know how to program. Unless you're trying to build like dumbass shit that nobody wants. Anyway, alright, so main window XAML CS. We find our options mouse button left down. Function. It's already set. Height 2.6 main collapse. That actually makes sense now. That's the root of the error. Open visibility, visibility open. There is an error with this. It's not good. So that's, yeah, that sucks. All right, so we gotta go here to and add a handler inside the CS itself. Theming will be last. Update this. Okay. Am I over engineering this app? Yes. Do I care? No. Okay. It doesn't like this line. I don't know why actually, because it should. Weird. Four. Like, it should like this. It's like really being specific. So I don't understand why it's not liking that. Okay, cool. So, and your back button must do it in reverse. Yes. Okay. So, oh yeah. That makes sense because I didn't do the back button. Yeah. Okay, cool. No issues. So then in here, back button, back click void here. Um, and your back button must do it in reverse for private void back click object 140 height 140. Uh Oh no, is that in Maine? Maine? Back click. Back to Maine. I mean, let's just see. It should run, but this should fail. That's wild, actually, that that's not working. What? Everything is right. Oh, it's structured wrong. This structure is wrong. Let's do this. Let's make it an additional window that opens for the options instead of having to change the XAML. Yeah. It just XML doesn't like it when you change the entire window. That sucks. I didn't expect that to be a thing. I thought that, like XAML would be like, that's wow. All right, I need to refresh this chat. It's like getting clogged. Oh shit, it froze. Uh, I can come on. Thank you. Okay. I always start this in a new chat. There was a way to. Okay. Options. No. No. So hold on. Delete this. Start a new chat because we need new chat. Main window. XAML, main window CS. And when we click the options icon, it needs to open up another XAML window. That is the options window. Matching the theme. All right, alga structure change number 600. I'm just kidding. Number like 16 though. Okay, so it's this is a discrepancy. I need to right click on the project, add new. What am I adding? All right, that yeah, WPF. That's what I thought. You said to check my work here. Wait, WPF window or page? Window, window, window WPF. Okay. Okay, and then options, main window, and then it will just probably add the CS here. Options window. Yeah, it did it right. Okay, cool. Awesome. Awesome. Fixed. Just like that. All right. Match the button themes round the buttons around the corners. Thank you, because I just don't like the way that looks. Okay, you oh, sorry. Oh, XAML. I don't want to do XAML chunking right now, bro, because that sounds like ass. Thank you. Thank you. Cool. Thank you. That's beautiful looking. Love it. Love to see that. Nice. Main window XAML. Same thing. Same thing. I love a new fresh chat in the GPG, bro. Save me so much time. Ooh, 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 ooh. Nope. Nope. Mm-mm. Oh, no. Okay. The options window needs it to be a additional window that opens. It's not. Oh, you know why? You know why? You know why? All right. Uh, for this, remove the height and place the window next to the other window. Yeah. No, I said, okay, yeah. Yep, that's what I wanted. All right, now I'm in a flow state. Let's go. Now it should work. Yes. It's clickable. Ah, it's nice. It's unclickable. Flow state activated. All right. Right. The draggable. Transparent. Please. Yeah. Whole XML. All right. We are in flow state. Alga structure complete. 99.9999%. Thank you, sir. Right. Wow. Yep. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Main window, draggable chunk. Thank you. With a title above it. Thank you. All right, draggable title. Bop. Give that one more piece of love there. Good. All right, XAML. What the fuck? Update this if needs it. I guess I didn't. Draggable main window was not included. Cool. I should get rid of all that. What the fucking shit, dude? What is wrong? Main window.cs. Just fix this. I don't know what the fuck is wrong. Bitching still? Like, well, okay, thank you. Hotkey variables and stuff. All right, draggable. Hotkeys, variables, and draggable. Alga structure done. Option menu complete. Neural network look zone. Back. Insert 55 or 55,000. Enter. Insert 55,000. Wait, what? Okay. 55,000? Okay, bro. Beef undo. Okay, hold on. Undo button is clear. Okay. And oops. And then clear. Take this. Boom. Insert 55,000. Let's do 10,000. No, let's just do 10. It's 10 plus 100. It's 1,000. Clear. Clean. Clean, bro. Clean. Clean. All right, dope. Back button. Up. Just like that. Neural network looks. Okay, let's start thinking about the next steps of everything. By the way, I updated the window. Here it is. When the user clicks on the neural network look zone button, Windows key Shift S box style click and drag box zone appears. They click and drag where they need the numbers that will appear on the screen to show. While they're playing their game, numbers will appear on that screen every once in a while, and the neural network will be able to read those numbers out and do the calculations. We're going to basically essentially automate this process and remove all of the unnecessary typing. This is the right mental method, and you're describing it clearly. What you're building essentially is a calibrated visual input pipeline, not just an OCR. I'll break this into what you should do. All right, I need him to read this out because I gotta look at neural network options.
Perfect. This is the right mental model, and you described it clearly. What you're building is essentially a calibrated visual input pipeline, not just OCR. I'll break this into what it should do, how to build it cleanly, and what not to do yet. What you are actually building, important reframing, this is not a generic OCR tool, a full neural network right away, screen scraping everywhere. This is, open quote, a single, user-defined visual sensor that watches one known UI region and converts it into numbers automatically. Close quote, Todd. That distinction keeps this project sane. UX flow exactly as the user experiences it.
Well, bud.
And look zone, main plus options Windows hide, app enters selection mode. Windows style box selection, Win Shift S feel. Full screen transparent overlay. Cursor changes to crosshair. Click, drag, live rectangle drawn. Rectangle is visible while dragging.
Oh, yes.
User releases mouse. Rectangle is locked. Coordinates captured. You can see the code in our conversation history. Overlay disappears. Main options windows return. While playing the game, your app periodically grabs only that region, analyzes it, extracts numbers, XP auto updates. No typing, no hotkeys, no interruption. This is clean, this is correct. A technical architect clean separation. Component 1, look zone selector, overlay window. Responsibilities, full screen transparent window, mouse capture, rectangle drawing, returns region coordinates. No OCR, no game logic, no XP math, just selection. Component 2, look zone watcher responsibilities, periodically capture the region, convert image data, detect if numbers changed, forward text to processor. This runs in the background. Component 3, number interpreter responsibilities, parse text into numbers, handle formatting issues, commas, flicker, partial reads, decide when a number is valid. This is where neural network eventually lives. Component 4, XP engine responsibilities, compare previous value versus new, add delta, update UI, persist state. That's your implementation phases. Do not skip order. Phase 1, selection overlay. Do this first. Nothing else matters until this works. Full screen WPF or WinForms overlay, semi-transparent black background, rectangle outline, white or green, mouse down, drag, mouse up. No OCR yet. Phase 2, region capture. Once you have coordinates, capture bitmap of region, save to memory, not disk. Display it in a debug window optionally. At this stage, you are just proving the pipeline. Phase 3, basic OCR temporary. Use simple OCR first, Tesseract or Windows OCR. Why? It validates the entire flow. It gives you training data. It reveals UI quirks. This is throwaway, not final. Phase 4, neural network later. Only after you have consistent images, known fonts, known colors, known scale. Then, small CNN, trained on your own captures, fast, stable, no OCR mistakes. Things you should not do yet. Do not train a neural network before you have data. Do not scan the entire screen. Do not rely on anywhere OCR. Do not store screenshots on disk repeatedly. Do not tie selection logic to XP logic. You're avoiding all the classic traps so far. Keep that discipline. Anti-cheat safety note, important. What you're doing, reading pixels, not injecting, not hooking, not modifying memory. This is passive observation, the safest possible approach. Good call. Immediate next step, single task, open quote, build the full screen selection overlay window, close quote.
Yeah, you said that.
Concrete deliverable. If you want, next I can design the exact overlay window XAML.
Alright. Yeah, chill out. Alright. So, OCR. I hate OCR, dude. I hate it. I hate that fucking shit. Okay, alright, and it is. I had the debug window for showing the, so we're gonna add a debug. We're gonna add a debug label. for showing the capture region. And then in the here the button triggers the Windows capture region settings. Plus S logic. How big this? I work fast. 433-pound greenless shark. I caught a sick, bro. Okay, in the front of the add new, choose window WPF. New item, window WPF. Look selection window. Look selection window example. And back end of the look selection window. Run. Settings. It works. Works. The selection overlay is working. My recommendations as your code app. This is freeware, so it should not be like super complicated. Use Windows OCR. Explain the complexity of Windows OCR for this application.
Good question, and this is exactly the right time to ask it. I'll explain Windows OCR specifically in the context of your application, not in abstract theory. What Windows OCR actually is. When people say Windows OCR, they usually mean Windows.media.ocr, UWP WinRT OCR engine. Key facts. It's already built into Windows, uses Microsoft's trained models, supports digits extremely well, designed for UI text, not documents, no training required, no internet required, no third-party dependencies. For a freeware tool like yours, that matters a lot. Complexity breakdown for your use case. 1. Integration complexity. Low to medium requires adding a WinRT reference, requires async calls but manageable, some WPF WinRT interop boilerplate. This is one-time complexity. Once wired, it's stable. Not hard, just a little Windowsy. 2. Runtime complexity. Very low, you capture a bitmap, you pass it to OCR, you get text back. You're only scanning, one small region, once every 1 second, digits only. This is trivial load for the OCR engine. HADAS 3. Accuracy for your scenario. High. If you constrain input. Windows OCR struggles with stylized fonts, cursive, rotated text, noisy backgrounds. But your case is game UI, fixed font, fixed size, fixed colors, consistent placement. That's the ideal case for OCR. For numbers like XP values, Windows OCR performs very well. Dash 4. Error handling complexity low if you're disciplined. You don't need perfect OCR. You only need digits monotonic increases.
Okay. Jam, I'm doing something. Is there a better alternative? A more lightweight one? Digits, same font, same colors, same location, same region occasionally. That changes everything. Lightweight alternatives, OCR ranked capture region. Convert to grayscale. Segment digits. Compare each digits against pre-saved templates. Pick the best match. Okay. All right. Template matching. Nah, that's more complicated. Okay. We'll do the OCR. Template matching is like insane. I'm not getting paid for this, so. Create a new file called the OCR reader.cs. With OCR, do I have to give it data like a neural network? Okay. Ah, it's built into Windows. All right, sweet. Let's try it out. Might fail. Hey, what's up, Motorsport? How are you? What? Oh, not going to answer that. I'm up north. All right, OCR.cs. Here we go. File. Add. New item. Is this a class? Yeah, it's a class. I don't know. OCR.cs. Add. All right, OCS or OCR, sorry. Might want to use OCR in the future if I like. How you will use it. Example, bitmap, capture region, long await, bitmap, value has value, public, you can call this method directly. Wow. So Windows has integrated AI. I didn't know that. All right, update this. Okay. Update this. It needs to send the regions to the main. And should should hit an error here. We have OCR errors now. Might have to do a... Damn it. That class needs to use another... Okay. OCR needs to run on... Shit. Shit, OCRs. Alright, hold on, maybe I can fix this. Properties. I don't see... Oh, God. Oh, sick. No, just give me the install. Install line. Give me the package manager console install line. And then give me the SDK there. Thank you. And then we need to rebuild it. Tesseract does not require training for digits. Tesseract is so annoying. Minimal OCR class. All right, we'll do Tesseract, I guess, AI. I guess. Okay, installing Tesseract. OCR. Yeah. Oh. It worked. Wow. Okay. That's gonna work. Tesseract model choice is the number one. fixes GUI safest way. Go to assemblies and check system drawing. System drawing. All right, and then we go here to references. Add a reference and drawing. What the? Drawing. There we go. System drawing common or design. Just system drawing. Okay. I got rid of that. We do have a warning. Asynchronous error for the CPU. Warning, we have a thread warning, so we need to fix our threads. Read XP async. No awaits inside. All right. So let's go ahead and get out of our references and look into our main Windows CS. And let's have him take this. And Tesseract probably the way I was gonna go anyway, because I was like, well, Tesseract has a number model. I was like, yeah. There we go, no issues. Run. Cool. Using a package reference, must use package reference. No Windows Media OCR. Required package reference for Package Manager console. Run this Tesseract version 4.1.1. One or more unresolved package dependencies can... Shit, that's not good. Good catch. Right click on packages, config. Right click on packages.config and delete. I'll do this through package PMC. Do all of this through PMC. Got it. Uninstall Tesseract Force. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Remove all packages. Config Force. Error. Removes this item. PowerShell. Get package. Tesseract. CLS. Tesseract. Get package from Tesseract. And there it goes. There it is. 441 version. How Tesseract is actually used. Alright. New any CPU x64 and yeah. Now it's on multi-threading mode. Still. Tesseract is library, not CLI, already clarified. Step 1, verify packages. Get project. CLS. Need to unmount this project here. Unload it. package. Ah, got you, got you. All right, cool. Reload this project. Delete this package. All right, boom. Delete packages.config. Manually. How do I do that? Delete packages.config. All right, here's the new. All right. Here's the new. Here's the updated. What line should I add or edit? Remove the first line. Delete this line entirely. Okay. And now we reload it. Yes. Okay. All right, that's good. That's good. Very good. Got rid of that stupid thing. Now we install Tesseract. And it runs. Holy fuck. Now we just open up Fishing Planet. And we tested, we. This is crazy, dude. If I get this to work, That'd be sickness. Alright, step 1. Catch a fish. I open up my controller thingy. Okay. Now I just need to hold a fish. All I need to do is hold a fish. That's it. That's nice. Okay, yeah. Aren't you supposed to be weedless, you piece of shit? I don't really like crawdads. Kind of weird. Jolly spoons. Alright. So now we click on our settings icon. And we just place that. Interesting. I'm just gonna keep holding this fish. Alright. Alright, so the application flow goes like this. They open the settings menu. They place their region that they need to have Tesseract scanned for numbers. And they hit back. And it will see the number and add that to the XP. Once you answer that, next question is for one-line answers. They are placing the region around just the number space. And it's just one line. I'm creating buildups. OCR. Size and viewability. Yeah. I put my box around just the number for testing. Also, we didn't update the main, did we? For debug. Let's just put the... Let's put a text label. A text box. Here. Under zone. Match the... Hell's ammo. All right. Sequential flow update. An end look zone button. Select zone. Then OCR identifies. Then tells us its result. All right, so now we go to the options window. CS. And then we add, let's have them update this, because I don't. We need to have, on region selection. And we're just adding the debugger plumbing into it. Because we're creating an engine. Why is this low key gonna work? I astound myself some days. Hey. Nothing? Did it? Nothing. Okay. Alright. So we gotta add a ticker. Did he want an entire CF? What? No. Okay, yeah, good. I was about to piss. I'm just praying this works. I just feel like Tesseract's not gonna want to do it. Still nothing. The OCR pipeline is simply never being executed. Why are you just... ignoring to do things? Okay, so... So, update this. No. Updated OCR, drop in replacement. Okay, but... okay, don't worry, okay. Don't worry about the main window, okay? Because this options window, we're testing to get the dang thing to register and see the number first, okay? Then we'll pipeline it into the main window, okay? Focus on one step at a time. Stop jumping 50 steps in front of another step, okay? Not how you program, bruh. You have to do one step at a fucking time, dude. Pissing me off. Is he slowing down? Wow, he's going super slow. Why is he going super slow? Copy. Updated the main window CS. didn't ask for that. Alright, here we go. Oh, son of a... What was I doing? What was I thinking? Okay, there we go. Now... Again, don't worry about the main. I didn't touch the main window. We're just trying to get the neural network system working with this debug menu at this time. Fix this error. Moron. You're right. The naming mismatch. Somewhere in options window, the code is still trying to use this. Yes. Don't tell me you fucking... lost your mind. Yes, this is... you gave me. Golly. What do you mean somewhere? Like you're like pondering. This is what you gave me. Your example defines this. It took you way too long. Okay, get past this final. I set the region. Need to get a good debugger built, guys. Sorry. This debugger's telling me nothing. Found the error. There's your error. There's the problem. After they set the look zone, it needs to start looking. Yes, you've identified the exact missing link. Never starts the OCR. You're 100% correct. That makes me feel better that the OCR is not started and it's just impossible, because my theory is that the game's gonna not be able to be OCR'd on. And that's where I get nervous. You have to build your own debugging tools while programming. You can't. Now we have a good error. It's good. Perfect. This error tells us exactly what's wrong. The pure system is not OCR. It's not UI. You're actually past the hard part. Problem is clear and exact. Error. Trans data. Tesseract prefix. Environment variables set. Failed. Language English. Tesseract. You only need Tesseract data, English train data. Download it here. Okay, but then what? Create this folder in your project output for debug. Tesseract data English. Bin debug. The fuck? Refresh. Not here. What? Oh. Repos Fishing Planet version 1. Bin debug. X64. There's our Tesseract DLL. Good. Tesseract train data English. What? Download English train data. English train data. I guess I gotta get the whole thing. Source code zip. It's big. It's really big. Now, how big is that, bro? How do I just download this? Download. He gets that. Test data. And then he wants end train data. I don't see it in there. Oh, there it is. End train data. Got it. That took a minute. This PC users. See here, sources, repos, version 1, bin, debug. I'm just gonna place it in 2 places. She should work. The Tesseract exception DLL. Alright, we need another DLL. Your fighting process working directory. Root cause. In Visual Studio, this is often program files, Microsoft Visual Studio. Error opening data file test. The correct fix is to put test next to the exe. Yeah, that makes actual sense now. Public void initialize. Hey, you're making sense like that. It's already there, so I don't need to worry about that. Oh wait, no. Stupid. It's in options window. Initialize. What? In the OCR. Update this. We're basically creating our own operating system at this point, which is psychotic. Awesome. So you added a really cool debug code to see if it locates it fine. I like that. Keep doing that. Should give us an error. Yep. But that error did not mean Tesseract failed. It means that he just called the wrong thing. This is goodness. It is not found at x64 debug test data. Oh, it's Tessa data. Test data. Ing trains data. I see the issue. Users, me, output, sources. Alright, there. So it's gonna be in bin. There we go. Debug test data. We have to make the new folder. Test data. Rename test data. Control C. Control V. Run. Don't do it to me. Could not. Test data not found at bin. Oh, got it. Got it. Shift F5. Okay. Bin. Alright, copy this folder. x64. Delete. Paste. Run. Now, should give us another error. That's not this one. Now I'm stumped. Shift F5. What the hell? Alright, I gotta use the restroom. test data. Being found. Alright, it is 6 in the morning. That means that it's time for me to go to the store because they opened and get some tea. Let me make sure they're actually open. Yeah, they opened. Alright, sweet. I'll be back. This is coming together, guys. This is almost done. This is really just also getting me fluent in, Tesseract, which is something that I want to play more with. It's a neural network that I need. So, I'll be back.